Hello foodies! Whether it's a game night or a party at home or just a quick and easy, healthy, delicious food or meal anytime during the day. So this is the dish which is called chicken ring. As you can see, this is the ring. I'll remove this. And this looks like a ring and stuffed with chicken. It's a baked dish. So let's start with the chicken ring recipe. For this quick and easy chicken ring, we need all these ingredients. So let's start with the 1.5 chicken breast. I have boiled it for about 10 minutes, and if you have instant pot, I have put it on poultry mode for 6 minutes. So, and I have shredded that as I showed you before. We need salt to taste. For egg wash, we need 1 beaten egg and couple drops of milk. I have taken this store-bought crescents roll. We will need cream cheese. I'll take half of it. Then this is Monterey Jack and Colby cheese. You can take any cheese as per your taste. So, black pepper and red chili sauce. Okay, so let's start with mixing half a stick of cream cheese first. And 1/4 cup of hot sauce. If you like spicy, you can add paprika or red chili powder. Let's mix this together. Add some salt to taste. Couple pinches of salt. Black pepper. You can add any flavors you would like. And finally, add the shredded chicken. Well, combine this. If you need more cheese, you can add that. More sauce, you can add that. Okay, I have preheated the oven to 375 Fahrenheit and open the crescent roll. I've greased the pan with oil or palm spray. We will have to separate these layers. Just like this. Okay, so I have 8 layers here. So let's place the wider side towards the bowl in the middle. Okay. So make a ring in the middle right now. So first is that, and then overlap this with, it looks like a flower here, as you can see. Now remove the ball and add our chicken first on the side. My hot sauce was not hot enough for me, so I'm adding some chili flakes. This is totally optional. If you like spicy food, you can add it or skip it. Okay, so just 1 tablespoon of crushed red chili flakes. Now add some cheese on top. That's it. So I just took 1/4, less than 1/4 cup. Depends on your liking. You can add more cheese if you want. All right. Now you can flip it and flip it back. Depends on the length of your croissant. Again, flip it. The leftover turns back here. Again, flip it. Either you can cut it from here or just flip it back. Just keep some space in between, so when it's baked, we can cut the slices and serve it. So it's forming a ring now, as you can see here. So quick and easy, kids friendly meal prep. One more. And if there is anything extra, I'm just going to cut it and bake it separately. So as you can see, this wing is extra, so you can just keep it as is, the shape like this, or you can cut it. If you want a ring, you can cut it and bake it separately. So this one is totally extra for my ring here. So I'm going to just form it a ring, like a round circle, like excess cheese, just keep it here. Okay, so this is my ring. So just roll it like this. Voila. So this can be a cute little bite for us. Okay, so I have a beautiful ring, then 2 little extra portions. So now time to egg wash them. I have a beaten egg and I've added 2 tablespoons of milk. If you don't have milk, you can add water. So with the egg wash, this is going to be crispy. As you can see, the final product is ready. So I said we need 20 minutes of baking. I only needed about 12 to 13 minutes. I set a timer for 15 minutes and it was done even before that. So around 12-13 minutes are this is how it looks after that. So I'm going to plate this. So let me just push this over to the plate. And that tiny one. Look how perfect this looks. Beautiful golden brown color. Beautiful golden brown chicken ring is ready for us. So either you can have a ranch or any kind of sauce in the middle, like in a bowl like this, maybe a tiny bowl like this. And then what you can do is, whenever you're ready, just start cutting the pieces like this, just like so. And you will have a piece like this. Wow, look at this, how beautiful this looks. Perfectly cooked. Chicken is already cooked, so we only had to cook the outer layer. So this is how it looks. I'm going to serve this with the hot red sauce, and we can dip it in the sauce, or you can have it as a ranch as a side dish. So choice is unlimited. You can have it as is because it's flavorful as is, or just have sauce on the side. So this is the chicken ring ready for us. So wasn't that super easy, super tasty and delicious chicken ring? Chicken ring is a perfect party appetizer and a quick meal if you want to have it that way. So it's a perfect game night food, and everybody enjoys it so much. The flavorful and the crispiness and everything is just right. So I hope you like this recipe, and I hope you enjoyed the chicken ring. Of course, if you like it, please hit the like button and share your feedback. Post your comments and tell me how you like it. All right. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye-bye.